Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are healthy and fine at home. Let us begin with new chapter, that is chapter number 6, MS Paint. Before we start, let us learn what is MS Paint. So girls, can you all see MS Paint picture? I hope you all can see this MS Paint picture. So what is MS Paint? MS means Microsoft Paint, and it is a version of Microsoft Windows. And what we can do with the paint? We can draw, we can color, we can edit our picture. What does this editing means? Editing means to make a change in my pictures. That means you can make beautiful cartoons, beautiful shapes, and you can color it also. Okay. Now, let us learn that which tool we will be learning. So we will be learning text tool, bucket tool, eyedropper tool, airbrush tool, zoom tool, shapes tools, eraser tools, and so on. Is it okay? So I will tell you about each tool in brief in the next session. Now let us learn how to start MS Paint. I will tell you practically also, but right now I'm telling you theoretically. Can you see this picture? First, we will click on Start button. Then we will click on All Programs. Then we will click on Accessories. And then we will click on Paint. This is the first way to open MS Paint. And the second way is that there is a search option over here. And you can just write down MS Paint and my paint window will appear. I'm repeating it once again, that how you will open MS Paint. We'll click on Start, then All Programs. After that, we will click on Accessories, and then we will click on Paint. This is how we can open our paint window. Next step, that the second way or second step to open the MS Paint is to click or write down in the search option. Now, this is the theoretical part. That first step is to click on Start button, All Programs, Accessories, and then we will click on MS Paint. So it is very easy. All the 4 steps, we will speak this 4 steps 4 times. Okay. So first step is Start button, All Programs, Accessories, and my MS Paint will be opened. Is it okay to everyone? I hope it is easy and you all will practice it at home. Now, let us see the paint window. Can you see when my paint window open, when I click on paint button, so this window will appear. Can you see this window? Can you see this? This is my drawing area, and these are a lot of tools and color palettes that we will be using in our MS Paint. Is it okay? Can you see my drawing window or paint window? Now, let me show you practically. Okay, girls. So let me end my video. Let me end my theoretical part, and then I'm showing you practically. Give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me open MS Paint. So how I told you that first we have to click on Start button as I have told you. So this is my Start button. What would be my next step is to click on All Programs. This is my next step. Then my third step is that I will click on Accessories. Okay. After that, I will click on Paint. This is my first way to open MS Paint. Is it okay to everyone? Yes or no? Let me maximize the screen. I hope you all know all the 3 control cursors. This is minimize button, this is maximize, and this is close button. Let me maximize my screen. Can you see this? Can you see my paint window? Let me close this paint window and open it with the second way. So I have closed it, and again I will go to Start button, and over here there is a search button. I will write it PAINT. Can you see that paint? I will click on this and see my paint window open. So there are 2 ways. First way is the long way, but it is the easiest way. Okay? Start, All Programs, Accessories, and Start button. And second way is just we'll click on Start button, and over here we'll write down or we will search Paint option. Okay, as I have told you that we can draw, we can edit, we can color our pictures. Okay, that means we can draw or we can color our pictures. Let me tell you how we can draw a star. Just as a practical, practically I'm showing you. See, I have made a star in my MS Paint. Okay, we'll tell you that how we will draw it. Is it okay? Now let us close it. I hope this much part is clear to everyone, that we have seen the paint window. Now let's move to the next slide. Just give me a second. So we have learned how to open MS Paint and we have seen the paint window. Now let us learn about the paint window. That means we have to learn different tools in the paint window. First is this color palette. What is this color palette includes? This color palette includes the colors. This is my shapes. In this, there are lot of shapes and we can draw that shapes. These are the brushes. With the help of brushes, you can use brush and you can color your pictures. These are my tools panel. Okay, so there are different tool panels. We'll learn it in the detail part in the next sessions. And then there is home and view tab. Okay, this is my paint button. Okay, and this is all my ribbon. We will be learning all the things or all the tabs in next class or in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and stay safe at home.